What's going on, guys? Aaron here from Departures Capital. Thank you so much for tuning into this live stream, whether you are live or you are tuning in after the fact. We've got a jam-packed session today. We're going to give you guys a couple of minutes just to join up the stream. Let me fire up this chat, and then we can get right into things. But I've got a ton of articles, news. We're seeing Aphria like crazy in the green, so it's going to be very interesting to see what happens, but we'll give you guys a couple minutes just to join up and to hit that like button. You guys obviously got to hit that like button too, right? So give it a few minutes. So what's up, Mikey? This is the best podcast. Thanks, thank you. So much crap on my desk. I just got to get rid of some stuff. All right, bought more MedMen. What's up, Jay Zeminski? Morning from BVB, Austria. Good afternoon, Bunny. So, guys, what's up, Mom? My mom's in the stream. Yes, sir. You gotta close the chat. You gotta close the chat and hit that like button. If you can find it. Aphria day trade or swing trade. Recently, Aphria's been a swing trade for me. We just sold half of our Aphria today. So, but we are going to be getting into some news about Aphria. So this is the news that's moving the stock. Aphria introduces first cannabis strains in Europe to be distributed by Danish partner. Aphria oversees the distribution of medical cannabis produced in its partnership with Danish-based Scroll Medical. So Aphria announced Friday that it has completed its first transfer of plant cuttings from 4 of its cannabis strains to Denmark-based Scroll Medical as part of the two companies' strategic partnership. Yes, sir. AC, thank you for those likes. ACB is doing great today. The cannabis sector is doing great again today. I definitely do think now, in terms of at least for Aphria, for me, it's time to start taking profits. So we took a bit of profits on Aphria today. Still hold some Aphria. The last time we took profits on Aphria was at 21.50. So that was a nice trade. Anyways, guys, I believe this is the same article. I just wanted to. That's not my birthday, by the way. It's a fake birthday. Okay, what is this? Come on. 01. You didn't miss much. The stream is very new, and we're just getting into the news about Aphria and what's moving the stock. Leamington, Ontario headquartered Aphria has completed its first transfer of plant cuttings from its four of its cannabis strains to Denmark's Scroll-based medical previously announced strategic partnership. So this is what's moving Aphria today. There's not too much in terms of the article, but the stock's definitely up. We're going to be recapping the markets. We're going to be getting into a fun little article about the ticker symbol POT. So this company has had the funniest ticker symbols. First YOLO, now POT. We'll do that in 2 seconds, though. We want to first take a look at the cannabis sector, see what's going on here, guys. Wow, we're seeing MYM Nutraceuticals up 21.7%. Finally, we just bought this stock.
Our top story, a hiring boom in January.
We just bought the dip hard on this stock. Recently at 49 cents, so that was a very good trade. It's nice to see MYM up. Aphria is the second biggest gainer on the day, up 9.8% to 12.60. Aphria is pulling back a little bit, though. We just sold Aphria at 13.10. So what is its daily range? Sorry, 13.07. We sold it at just above 13 bucks. Crazy day for churn today, was way overbought and finally came down. Do you think it's a big bubble that will one day pop and crush, or it's here to stay long term? We need big news for ACB ASAP. Do I think it's a bubble? Some sectors of the cannabis sector, some areas of the cannabis sector might be a bubble, maybe. But like any new industry, I mean, there's going to be stocks that are going to pop. There's going to be stocks that are going to crash. It's going to be volatile. but it's here to stay. It's here to stay compared to crypto. I mean, crypto is a lot harder to provide and show real world applications. Cannabis, there's so many different ways to show that you can use it, and it's legal in Canada. Crypto, you're fighting the Fed, you're fighting the central bank, the government in terms of regulation and all that kind of stuff. So it's a great idea, great technology, but it's going to be a lot harder to implement. Yeah, I totally agree. I think cannabis will definitely act like a new commodity eventually at some point. Right now it's still new, but there's so many uses that they're discovering for it. So what's up, Doug? Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Okay, so we're getting into a fun little article here, guys. So we're going to be talking about this new company that just stole the ticker symbol POT. That's not what I'm looking for. Revealed, the company that will trade under the POT stock ticker symbol. You only live once, so you might as well snag the ultimate stock ticker symbol for a cannabis company. So this company, before, they had the ticker symbol YOLO. I don't know which ticker symbol is better, YOLO or POT, but you only blah blah blah. The Canadian cannabis company Weekend Unlimited, and the stock's name's Weekend Unlimited. I don't know why they would do anything differently, but anyways, the Canadian cannabis company Weekend Unlimited, currently trading under the stock ticker symbol YOLO on the Canadian Stock Exchange, announced that it's the winner in the lottery for the ticker POT. Weekend Unlimited YOLO is thrilled to add the iconic POT trading symbol to its identity, CEO Paul Chow said in a statement. As a fast-growing multi-state operator, Weekend Unlimited is developing lifestyle brands around recreational and wellness to help define the future of the cannabis industry. Demand for POT was so high given that the cannabis craze that the Canadian Securities Exchange held its first ever random lottery on Wednesday to determine which company can use it. The symbol is non-transferable and only the winner will be permitted to use it according to the bulletin. So guys, what do you think of the ticker symbol POT? LOL, day traded this stock today, such a crap company. Is POT going to trade in the US? I'm not too sure, but I mean, I've never heard of this company until today. So that just goes to show maybe the company, I don't know. I'm not going to say anything bad about the company if anybody holds the stock long term. Do you think Kronos will drop? I took 5K profit today, bought in early January. They surged up so fast. That could have been a very smart idea. Personally, I would be taking profit on Kron, 100%. $27, my goodness. I think you made a good move, honestly. Kron, like, I don't know. This could run hot, could run more, but YOLO is up 96% today. It's junk. First time with 1,000 to start. Let's see what YOLO, but I thought they're, oh my gosh, that's a joke, guys. Where's POT? POT. Used to be Potash Corp. Yes, sir, Andrew. We are having a green day. We are having a green day. Hey, Ellen. Yeah, I think it was a good idea for the trade on Aphria. I mean, I just wanted to add to my precious metal holdings because we've got a lot of precious metal mining stocks, and today we're buying Barrick. I love the 2% dividend on Barrick. It's hard to beat that. 2.17% for a precious metal mining stock. That's crazy. World's largest producer. We've been buying Barrick all week. But we recently, let's see here for a quick second on this chart. Yeah, we bought Barrick somewhere around 16 bucks, and then just bought a little bit more Barrick. So we've been buying Barrick. I like the charts for Barrick. It's looking like, if you guys don't mind me doing a quick little comparison. So we're gonna take a look and compare Barrick to Gold Corp, and then Kinross and Alamos. Some gold mining stocks to think about. So let's go over the last year. Barrick has outperformed, if you guys can see, over the last year. So for me, the charts are looking pretty good for Barrick, but I do like the rest of these miners too. We own all of them. So how do you feel about Hexo Long? Took profit on Organogram. What do you think about Sugarbud Craft Growers? SUGR, I just started following that stock. Haven't had a chance to do, oh no, that's not the right one. Let's see if I can find it. Give me the ticker symbol, I'll take a look at it. Unless that is Relentless Resources. But I could be right. Sorry. We're going to recap the markets here real quick for a second. The last question I forgot to answer, sorry, was that Hexo long trade. I've always liked Hexo long. I just don't know about these levels. I probably wouldn't be a buyer. I was looking at Hexo hard at $4 to $5. Yeah, I thought it was sugar. I mean, if the industry keeps running, Hexo's going to keep running. I don't like how high Hexo is. It's moved up so fast. It's almost doubled already. I can just find, I'd rather buy Suniva or FSD Pharma. Just my opinion. I mean, this is a great company. Hexo's probably a much better company than FSD Pharma or Suniva, but I just can't pay that much for Hexo right now. But who knows? I could be wrong. I could be wrong, guys. I just prefer to buy a cheaper stock and hope for the best. I'm looking to buy Suniva, but this stock's kind of trending sideways. But it's actually looking pretty nice right now. I don't mind this this triangle that's going on. Kind of like consolidation, which is kind of what I want to see. We may never see below $4 again for Suniva. This could be Suniva leveling out. It looks like we're starting to level out. What's it called? The descending triangle. Suniva is putting in this nice, period of stability, hopefully looking to move higher. I can definitely see if this stock bounces, we're gonna immediately go quickly up to like $7 in the next couple months if the stock starts to move up. Suniva is one I'm looking at hard. We didn't give up. We're just giving it some time. We're definitely still a community. We all support each other, and we'll be working on a lot of cool things in the future. I look forward to working with a lot of those guys. Have you looked at Zanabis? They position well. Yeah. Shout out to Rich TV Live. He's been covering Zanabis quite a bit. This is definitely an interesting stock. Check out Rich TV Live if you guys want to see more info about Zanabis, as he's your man for Zanabis. He's got that connection. The only thing I'm concerned about, guys, is the way it's looking right now for this chart. If we sell down into the mid to high threes, then where does it go from there? If we can't hold support, I think this thing could fall like a rock just by looking at the charts. But anyways, what's up, Tony? That's where I heard of it. Yes, sir, David. So, like I said, shout out to Rich TV for covering that stock. Now on to ACB. We're going to take a look at ACB, recap the cannabis stocks, and then take a look at the broader market. So, honestly, guys, ACB looks like it's going to 10. I don't think we'll see a dip before earnings, to be honest. And I wasn't a buyer of ACB at 9. Should I have been a buyer at 8.50? or 820 probably. I just wasn't comfortable with buying more ACB than we already have, because we already have a bunch of ACB, 4,000 or 5,000 shares, something like that. So let's go past 10, guys. This is what I've been talking about for a while. I would start to take profit on ACB. Shoot. 13, 14 maybe. If we put in another crazy bull run, probably 13, 14, I'd start to take a little bit of profit. Maybe like 20%, 30% profit. 30% of the position. Maybe 1,000 shares. Sell 1,000 shares, probably somewhere around there. But yeah, not really looking to sell ACB that much. I mean, unless we see like I said, 13, maybe even 15 bucks. I don't know. That's when I would start to take some profit. A lot more inclined to take profit recently than before. I just thought we were going to see a run after legalization, and we saw the complete opposite. Is a joke. So guys, I've got a list of stocks that we're looking at, stocks to buy for 2019. This is just something I'm putting together. So I'll share this with you guys. All different sectors, not just cannabis sector. But first I want to recap the stock markets. We've got a packed live stream today. So much information. S&P sees slight gains after jobs data. Amazon knocks Nasdaq lower. S&P rose marginally on Friday as early optimism from a surge in January job growth was offset by Amazon's gloomy outlook that battered retail stocks. Amazon fell 4.2%. The jobs number is a positive factor, but there are online retailers pointing to U.S. consumers spending less. Well, what do you know, guys? The economy's slowing down a bit. That was never expected after a 10-year bull market. S&P energy sector rose 2.2%. Real estate stocks dropped 1.4%. So that brings me to the next stock. Welltower. This is a stock that's been on absolute fire. And I want to buy more of it, but it's so expensive. Bought this stock mid-2018. One of our biggest winners, guys. Where did we buy this though? Bought the dip somewhere in here. Definitely didn't time the bottom at 50 bucks. I believe it was 55 bucks. But this stock's ran like crazy. I love retirement REITs. This is like my thing. So chart, well, retirement residences. This is another stock that's very similar to Welltower. Oh, we're flat on the day today. We've been kind of doing putting in some support in and around these levels. Looks like we could make a little bit of a drop here though. But the stock's actually looking pretty good. We made quite a bit of a run. It's kind of trading sideways, but it looks like we're going to hold this support level. So you know what, guys? Might be inclined to load the boat on this one. Maybe another 3,000 shares. It's a tough one. I like shopping. Friday shopping. Friday night shopping. Drinking tea. All right. Let's check the comments. This is my gut telling me I'm holding ACB for now. Started eyeing Supreme. Hi, Aaron. Good day for Aphria. Yes, sir. We sold half. That'll be a while. I've got 5,000 shares of Supreme. Hey, DC, what about Zenerba? IIPR, Industrial Properties. Let me check in on that stock. IIPR. I'm a big fan. Come on, Innovative Industrial Properties. This stock's awesome. Yo, what's up, Max? What's going on, Max? Thank you for tuning in, buddy. IIPR has been on an absolute tear, but this stock's so expensive. Holy smokes, like, that's not a chart I like to buy. Not that I buy charts, but Honestly, forget that. Like, great company, but forget that chart. Get out of here. The stock's on a run and a half. We're at our 52-week high. Like, I'm sorry. I would not. I'd take profit on this. Jesus. Oh my God. Great company, though. I love the thought of a REIT within the cannabis sector, but I would not buy 52-week highs. That's just asking for a pullback. Like, okay, the stock pulls back to like $50, I'm in for sure. I would pick this up all day at 50 to 55 bucks. 65? Nah. Of course, analysts are still saying it's a buy because it is a buy, but it's just more susceptible to a pullback. It's just logic. Think about it. I mean, if you own 20 stocks, you're going to take a look at the stocks that are the most in the green. You're going to take a look at your stocks and say, oh, I'm up 5% on this one. I'm down 2% on this one. I'm up 50%. Oh, I'm up 50% on this one. Well, it might be some time to take some profits. I mean, eventually it's going to get traded, and there's going to be profit taking. When will that time come? Who knows? Could it be at 65? Yes. Could it be at 75? Yes. Just like it's hard to call the bottom, it's hard to call the top. So, but I just like to buy long term, so I wouldn't buy this to hold it. Long term, I would watch it right now. But no. I'll check. I know, guys. You guys have talked about FSD for a while. Honestly, guys, I might just buy like 3,000 shares of FSD right now just to join the party. I'm kind of tempted. You know what, guys? I think I'm going to do it. Just let me make this trade real quick. Should I do it? I'm thinking about it. If I can put a market limit, if I can put a market order. What if the second I buy FSD it starts to go up, guys? Like, what if I buy FSD right now? I think I'm gonna buy some FSD. Trade. Wait till 28 cents. Put it in for 28 cents. It was 15 cents. Don't do it. Such conflicting. I'll punch you if it goes up. No, you won't. You're gonna thank me. If it goes to 45 cents, you guys are gonna thank me. 1 second. Let's see what we're currently trading at. 33 cents. But I'd probably get it at 33.5 because I'd need to buy the ask. If I wanted it right now. Which tea do you drink? Well, this tea is a mixture of lemon. No, sorry. It's mango green tea with some other tea bag in there. We've got some hibiscus in there. We've got some lemon. Oh, no. Why do I keep saying lemon? We've got some hibiscus in there. We've got some mango green tea. And we've got lemon balm. Something, I don't know. Some other tea bag. Bunch of herbs. But it's good stuff. After first quarter earnings, huge goes to 60 cents. Aphria dripping hard. Drip too hard. 960. You mean Aphria dripping or Aphria dropping? Okay, guys. We're going to vote Should I buy a huge right now? And how many shares? Should I buy a huge amount of shares? Give you guys 10 seconds to vote. Go. Do it. I do drink coffee. Okay, so I'm not buying huge. Okay. The verdict's in, guys. I'm not buying huge. Do not buy huge. All right. Okay, what about MedMen? MedMen's another stock I'm looking at. Whoa. Is MedMen down? MedMen is down today. We're taking a look at this stock, guys. 440. I'm liking this right now, guys. Buy more Aurora. I can't buy more Aurora when I said I would not buy it above 9. I think we're going to buy some MedMen today, guys. MedMen is looking pretty good, I'll be honest. And I like that we're dropping off today again. Let's check the weekly chart. Yes, sir. That's what I like to see. We're down off those $5 highs. Nice. I think we're going to have to pick up some MedMen. Buy MYM. I bought MYM like at 49 cents. I'm so happy. I don't know what's going on with this stock, but this stock is popping. Maybe because we were talking about... Oh my goodness. MYM's up 39%. Holy... That's all I gotta say, guys. Congratulations. I told you guys we were buying. Okay, let's see. These were our top stocks to buy for 2019, so we're just gonna look them over. FSD Pharma, Namaste, Suniva, MedMen, Aurora Cannabis, Aphria Health, MYM Nutraceuticals, Whaling Group, International Canna Brands, Oxley Cannabis, Hexo, Alkaline Water, and Micron Waste Technologies. Those were the stocks that we were looking at buying. I believe we bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10 of them. And we sold Aphria today. I remember when ACB and Kronos was both in the high $5. Yep. Kronos is waving. So I quickly want to just recap the markets now. So we've got the indexes. Dow just peeking its head in the green. We've got the S&P 500 down 0.16% and the Nasdaq down 0.42%. So things are looking flat. Crude oil is up 2.5% on Venezuela. Natural gas is down. Gold and silver are dipping. I want to take a look at Endeavor Silver. Silver stock still in the green. This guy's going ham on the guitar. Just gonna change that. There we go. Fortuna Silver Mines dropping after the big rally. I want to see this stock back to like at least 550. We're looking at 550, but we're actually looking to run to 7. That'd be awesome. Let's put that bull run in. Run to 10. Definitely take some profits. Wow, fire exploded. So who can tell me about the MedMen lawsuit? Feel free to drop that link. I will review it, or any more details. I'll just check for links right now in the comments. Okay. The lawsuit, it's BS. MedMen and Suniva and Zanabis are 3 I'm looking at. 1 ACB, but it's too rich for me. I agree. I agree with everything you said, David. ACB is too expensive for me, and I'm looking at Suniva and MedMen. I haven't looked much into Zanabis, but I have heard a lot of good stuff about it. So, here we go. I've got a piece of crap. Okay, Max. Just looking at my other comments. All right. Let's check water too. Thanks for bringing that up, Max. We're looking at water, MedMen. Ooh. I'd be more inclined to buy this stock around $4, but 440 looks decent. Might just pick up like 200 shares just to get in. A couple more at $4. I don't know. Stock could drop to $4. The stock could bounce. It's hard to say right now. Also depends on the markets. I want to look at HIP and I want to look at FIRE. Nothing going on there. Apparently, Supreme Cannabis is exploding. Not really. I mean, it's definitely taken off though. $1.18 to $2.30. We're almost double now. Shoot. But we're being listed in Canada. That's an expensive chart for me. I wouldn't be buying that right now, but great company. John Raz. Yeah, guys, so Matthew and John, I have sold half of my Aphria today. Just a heads up. Dumped half of that Aphria. I'm okay with a 40% gain over the last couple days. Not a problem for me. And I'll buy that right back into Barrick. Yes, sir. Bought the dip on Barrick today. Look at that nice little dip. Pick some up at $17. I think we're gonna keep running. Barrick should be in the 20s soon. Paying a nice 2% dividend. I can see Barrick getting back up into the 20s. Let's look out a little bit longer term. Right now I've been just been juggling between cannabis and precious metal mining stocks. The miners are just so cheap, it's hard to ignore, and the gold's definitely breaking out and hopefully going to be in a new bull market soon. So Barrick starts to run, I can see this stock $30, 35, $40. Barrick's got the potential to double, and it's a huge company that pays a dividend. I'll keep talking about that all day until Barrick hires me. So guys, ACB is getting really close to $10. That is correct, sir. It's gonna be nice to see. Last question of the day: should we buy some MedMen? MedMen Enterprises. 150 shares. Oh, I don't know. 300 shares. Buy MedMen. With Toyota and Honda looking to invest in hydrogen, fuel, textile, I feel palladium could be nice. Alright, guys. We'll get some MedMen. At 435. Stock's down 5%. 5% now. What's up, Steven? You got balls of steel for buying Kronos. I respect that. I respect that. I just sold the Aphria today. Half of Aphria. The Joey, Mr. HD. It's all good, buddy. I'm still here. Hit that like button. And yeah, just thanks for tuning in. Oh shoot. Please enter a limit price for this security. So apparently, guys, you can only buy MedMen with a limit price. That's pretty annoying. 435. All right, so we're buying MedMen for 435. Just got to put this in here. 1 second, just gotta put my password. Let's check. Are we now MedMen shareholders? Filled. Alright guys, so we bought some MedMen. Started a small little position. Is nobody looking at the lawsuit? Yes, MedMen tried the CFO quit on. Try the CFO that quit on November. Honestly, at the end of the day, MedMen's more of a swing trade, but I think it's cheap. But anyways, just made like a bunch on Aphria, so let's play money. It was either MedMen or FSD. $500 shares. What about ASA? Did you start out with mining stocks in the days? Because just like you, Midas guys can't stop looking at mining charts every now and then, even though most of the audience is there for cannabis. Yes, sir, you nailed that on the head, Henrik. You're right, and if you go to, it's funny, let me show you something real quick. So you asked, did I start off with mining stocks? So if we go to Midas letter Aaron, you'll see that I talk about.
Depends what you mean. What's your time frame? What's your risk profile?
Just accumulating. That's what I want.
Nah.
We got canopy in there. We've got a bunch in there. I went to the gym. But yeah. So when it comes to YouTube, I talk about. I love commodities.
So, there we go.
It's gold, silver. Mining companies, I've always, like, my first stock I bought was like a bunch of mining stocks like Barrick Gold.
Oh. Barrick Gold Corp was my first stock I ever bought. Oh my gosh. So that's the answer to your question, is why I look at mining charts. Can't help myself. Ain't that funny? Mining stocks are solid. 5 weeks. The 5 next week. Goodbye, brother. You look you so old now. Yeah. I look so old now. I know, that was 2 weeks ago. I'm just kidding. That was like a month ago. It's because I'm wearing a suit and I shaved. Is Barrick a good buy? You needed more gel in your hair. Oh my gosh. That's funny. You guys are awesome. Yeah, I know, right? Need that wax. So back to Barrick's stock. We bought some Barrick today. We bought some Barrick last week. I like Barrick at these prices. But then again, guys, the purchase capital is for education and informational purposes only. Do your research and due diligence, and don't buy anything because we told you to, because we don't tell you to. I hear you, Max, seeing all these sweet deals but can't sell at such a huge loss. Been super long term on Barrick for a while. But the stock hasn't performed that great. This is my research. No. No. But yeah, 1 sec. I just want to take a look at the chart for gold. I gotta go soon, guys. Oh, gotta get ready for my next video, but I have so much fun on these streams. So thanks everybody for tuning in. You guys are awesome. You make it fun. I'll stay till 2:45 Eastern Standard Time. Gold's looking like it's looking like we're gonna pull back a little bit. I kind of expected it. I didn't expect gold to run forever. Like, we're gonna see some consolidating in and around 1300 to 1350. I don't think we're just gonna straight up blow past 1350 right away. But you guys can see, I mean, gold hit 1300, tested it a couple times, sold off, tested it a couple times, sold off, tested it a couple times, sold off. But now, I think the environment's different. We'll test it a couple times. Trade in between 13 to 1350. And then hopefully break out into this new bull market and go anywhere from 15 to 1700. I can see gold heading in that direction. That's my outlook. That's why I like the miners. That's why I like Barrick. Yo, let me read these. ACBT God, blah, 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 you too, Aaron. Wish I would have looked at a gamble and bought it, Stephen. I honestly thought you were throwing your money away. Love the morning shows. Nothing else to do while I watch FST. Check out VYST. Gold had to make gold too hard to make cash off. Insane run this month. Yep. So, look at that. Wow, imagine you bought gold for 200 bucks an ounce back in 2000. Damn. That's 10x your money. Almost. 10x your money in 10 years. So 1 times your money every year. That's not that bad. I'll take 100% a year for 10 years. Dang. Nah, but gold's looking pretty stable right now. Alright guys, so we're going to leave the last 4 minutes for any questions, any comments, anything else to look at. Then I'm hitting the road. I'm hitting the road watching MedMen go up. Watch, 5 seconds after I bought it, they're going to announce that the lawsuit was dropped. Stock goes to $10. Just kidding. Stock's up already, guys. See, we bought it. It's up 2 cents. Sick. Wait a second. When are you going to buy it? A big boy Mercedes? Talking to me, Steven? What's a big boy Mercedes? Yeah, CLIQ, that's a good long-term stock. Alcana? Ooh, this stock's nice and cheap right now. What's the dividend? The dividend was nice back then. This is one I'm definitely going to take a look at. Wow, this thing fell off a cliff. Damn, guys. I remember we sold it at like 10, 11 bucks, so we got lucky on this one. I was like, nah, dump this. But I have an E-Class. E-Class is not a big boy Mercedes. Like, I need to get an S-Class? I guess. I mean, I got the V8 though. 5.5 V8. So it's not that bad. What was I saying? Okay, so CLIQ. 5.75% dividend. Damn, this stock's tempting. This stock's tempting at 468. Might have to take a look at this stock. Thank you for, I'm writing this down. Yeah, V8 is very important. There's nothing like the Benz V8. Yeah, so if Huge goes on Midas letter, you can drop some comments, Max. I know you're good at that. CLIQ. I just can't believe the gains on MYM Nutraceuticals today. I'm super happy about that. It's time for MYM to take off. %40. MYM's up 40%. Stock looks like it hasn't moved. Sweet. Jesus Christ, man. Eldorado Gold. Last company I'm looking at that I got to bounce, guys. Sorry. Ooh. Stock's been on a huge run. Take a quick look at the charts and I'm bouncing. I'll have to do more research on this company. Thanks for bringing it up, though. Damn, look at that chart. Holy crap. This is a volatile one. Definitely has some 4x potential, though, looking at the charts. Holy smokes. Like our VIP trader group. Jeez, there's got to be like 50 or 60. Feel free to join the VIP trader program if you want. What's up, Scott? Anyways, guys, if you guys just joined the stream, you can watch it. You can re-watch it again. It was a really good stream. I talked about a lot of stuff. We made some trades live, and what else? Yo, I love Max. That's pretty much it, guys. I gotta go. I gotta record another video. We're going to an event later today, so got some stuff to do. So if you missed anything, you can tune into the stream. Just like click whatever along the thing. You can fast forward it if you don't want to watch it all. But yeah, so I'm out of here, guys. Have a happy weekend. Happy Friday. Thank you so much for tuning into my streams. It's always fun. And yeah, hit those likes. Hit those likes. Thanks always, guys. Have a great weekend. I'll be posting a bunch more videos like top 3, top 5 stocks in different sectors. So we'll see you soon.